'07 Pontiac Solstice. Trunk won't open. Passenger side is not releasing. Driver's side is releasing. Previously, the driver's side wouldn't release, and the passenger side would. So what you're going to do, whichever side's not releasing, get you a close hanger. I don't know if there's a special tool or use whatever. It's got 90-degree bends. Stick it in there. Now this is if it's not releasing. And you're going to pull towards the center of the car with the hanger to release that metal clip. Once you do that, you should be able to open the trunk. Once you get the trunk open, take this cover off. It goes all the way across here. And you'll see the latches on the inside. You're going to unbolt the one that's not working properly. What I did last time was the ball keeps coming out of the loop right here. So all I did was pull that out, took that nut, 10mm nut out, that 10mm nut, and crimp this down some more. So this does not come out anymore. Because what's happening is there's enough room for the ball to go right through that. So just put a pair of pliers, crimp this down to touch this so the ball doesn't come out. Make sure you got the ball in there. Else we could have a hard time putting it back in there. And once you do that, you can button it all up, put your cover back on, check, make sure you have no more issues. It's a fix for so you don't have to replace parts. Hope this helps y'all.